Does your mind's incessant self-talk, does it loop over and over and over in your head like a bad mantra? Whew, yeah, that used to happen to me all the time. This is really good. It means you're human, okay? Do you want your self-talk to be more positive, more supportive than negative? I think we all do. And I see you saying, yes, please, sign me up. Hey, I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And this is Mindful Mondays, where we take a mindful approach to really nourish your body and your life. Thanks so much for joining me. I am so delighted you're here. I really want to help you discover a new way of thinking to help you with this. Hey, I'd like to take you on a little journey. Will you come on it with me? Yeah, does that work for you? Your first step, it's to be aware of the negative thoughts. All the negative thoughts, I want you to get present. Just breathe into your body, cancel these thoughts, and bring in more positive thoughts to replace the negative thoughts. Sounds simple, right? Yeah, I hear you saying, I don't think so. That's not so easy, Catherine. I know this can be hard. And to change, I want you to really get that negative Nelly thoughts. They are circulating over and over in your head. So Deepak Chopra, I love him, he sums it up. He sums it up pretty nicely. He says 99% of the thoughts you have in your head, the ones you have today, they're the same thoughts you had yesterday. Actually, it's 99.9%. You know, we all know the definition of insanity, right? Are you thinking the same thoughts over and over and over, expecting different results? So unfortunately, so many people, they don't know how to intentionally change their self-talk. I invite you to stop for even a few seconds throughout the day. Whenever a negative thought comes into your head, you just hear it, right? Maybe you're saying, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, or whatever your unique brand of self-criticism is. We all have different ones. We're all unique. I'm sure you know yours. Your negative thoughts, they just keep running, right? We all have this special brand. We are all biologically individual. And some days, this voice, it speaks louder than other days. When you hear this voice, I want you to take 3 deep breaths. Just breathe as I talk. Get in touch with the present moment. Then repeat the negative thought. Yeah, repeat it. Just talk it out and breathe again. Take another big deep breath and ask yourself, where do you feel the statement in your body? Is it in your head? Is it in your heart? Is it in your gut? Breathe into that space in your body like a laser beam. Just breathe into that spot. You know, where is it? Now think of a statement that you would have about yourself if the negative Nelly statement were true, okay? Maybe you hear yourself saying, I'm feeling crappy. Hey, your next step would be to stop, breathe into your body, take the thought to your body, discover where that thought lives. Is it your head, your heart, your gut? Just figure it out. Where is this vicious loop coming from? Because it's always somewhere in your body, okay? Take your breath and concentrate on that area with your breath. Get it directed on that area like a laser beam. Now tighten that part of your body. Just tighten it up. Where you're feeling the negative thought. And just tighten it a little bit. You don't have to go intense, okay? Or commando. Keep breathing into that area. Now think about the statement you would use if your negative Nelly thought were not true, okay? What if this thought weren't true? To counter, I'm feeling crappy, you might say, I'm feeling happy, or I'm feeling incredibly happy, and all is well in my world. The counter statement, it has to be in your own words. I can't give you those words. Dive deep, discover what your wording would be to really counter your negative thought. And then take 30 to 90 seconds. Breathe the new thought into your body. Just feel it in that area, wherever it is. Stay present. See how you move your negative feeling in your body to a more uplifting feeling. You have the power. We're running around creating our thoughts with our minds. And the truth is, your body, it knows how to help you get happier. It knows how to help you get healthier and live the life of your dreams. Hey, did you know that prior to the 60s, people didn't even believe that there was such a thing as self-talk? Nobody even talked about it. Psychiatry up to then, they said these voices, the voices in our heads, they came from some other not so good, mysterious place. Well, today we know differently, right? And you now know one of my favorite ways, you've just learned it, to change your thoughts from crappy to happy. You have the power. Changing negative thoughts, it can be hard. Yes, we've had these thoughts for a long, long time. And it doesn't have to be. You can feel free from your bad mantras, the negative self-talk. So if you find yourself just really beating yourself up a lot, and if you find yourself quick to judge others, judge yourself, if you've got a pessimistic view of the future, especially now with what we're going through, I would love for you to see what life is like to be free from the shackles of negativity. Because I can tell you this, without the bad mantra, the echo chamber, the one in your mind, the one your mind has, when you get rid of that, you have space to let the good things come in. They're blocking you. They're blocking your joy. They're blocking your happiness. This is so liberating, and you can have it. I encourage you to check out my programs. If you're on my website, you can check out Eat Your Way to Healthy or 3 Months to Thrive. Just the tabs are right above. So click on the tabs and check them out to really discover a new way that will soon be your only way to create a life you love. And if you're on YouTube, hey, like my page, subscribe, because you can get these all the time. All you need to do is go over to catherinechess.com, and that's where all my programs live. And I'd love to have you join me. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to renew your energy, rebalance your hormones, and really love, love, love your life. I'd love to see you soon. Come on over. I love you. And more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Bye-bye.